Hi guys, it's Lucy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, subscribe for a new video every Tuesday and hit the notification button if you want to be notified. Join the Curly Unicorn family where we share curly facts. Curly this, curly that. Okay. So subscribe, and if you haven't already, then go check out my podcast, which is down in the description below, and my Curly Unicorn Instagram, where I Instagram more videos for you to watch and tutorials and whatnot, so go check that out. Alright, so let's get into today's video, shall we? Grab a cup of tea, coffee, water, cool drink, whatever you want to drink. Sit there and watch this tutorial on three hairstyles, cute tutorial hairstyles that are really easy to do. So yeah, I'm just going to bring you this tutorial and I hope you enjoy it. So hit that like button and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and share this because it really helps me grow as a channel. So let's do this. I'm going to dub over this, but it's very easy. Just follow me. You got it mirrored. You got your hair ready. Cool. Let's do this. Hairstyle number one is this is hairstyle number one. Grab a hair thing. So you're going to take two pieces of your hair, any two pieces you want, and you just put it in the front, and you put the rest of your hair back. And you're going to tie these two pieces in front of your face. So just tie it a few times so it's secure. And then you're just going to push it back, and there you've got a cute, easy hairstyle. It keeps your hair from your face. It looks cute. You can wear it out. You can wear it in. It's all cute and stuff. So yeah, if you want to try it, try that. Try it. Hairstyle number two is also a quick and easy one. Grab your hair tie. Tie some hair back into a little bun on top of your head, just like a half updo. This is really easy and cute, and you can put accessories if you want to, and it's just really easy, cute. Wear it out, you can wear it in again, and it looks cute. So just check your style off in the mirror. And that is hairstyle number two. This is hairstyle number three, the last one. So you're just going to take a hair tie, put all your hair to one side, tie it in a little ponytail. So it's a side ponytail, and this is just really a cute hairstyle to wear, and it's easy again, and it looks cute and messy and just like you actually did something, but you didn't really care that you did something. So yeah, these are just these three little cute hairstyles. Try it out. So there you have it. Three easy, half up, half down updos tutorials that I just showed you that are super easy to do. You can do it in like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 seconds, all good. It's just really super easy and cute, and they work really well, and you can add accessories and you can do it. Put your own style to it. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up again. If you subscribe for more videos every Tuesday, and a special video is coming out this Friday, just this Friday special. Go check it out, be tuned for it. Go check out my podcast and my Instagram. I hope you liked this video, and I hope you tune in for next week's video, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys. Bye.